after I get done eating my food. Hey y'all, it's your girl Faith and I'm back again with another video. And for those of you who are new, thank you so much for clicking onto my video and welcome to my channel. And for those of you who aren't new, hey girl, hey, thank you so much for clicking back onto my channel. But as you guys see by the title, in today's video I'm going to be taking you guys along with me for a productive day in my life. And today is actually Monday, and y'all, I'm actually done with all of my classes. So right now it is currently 1:42, and like I said, it's Monday. So right now I'm getting ready to go to the gym. As you guys see, I have my little workout outfit on. I'm probably just going to do some cardio and abs today. I haven't actually went to the gym in a while, so I want to just get my body readjusted to going. So I'm going to take you guys along with me as I go to the gym. And once I do get back from the gym, I have a whole to-do list that I want to do. I have to wash clothes, I have to vacuum, I have to organize my closets and my dressers, and I want to like clean my mirrors and stuff in my room as well. Alright y'all, so I just got back from the gym, and I got me some Panda Express. I wanted something somewhat healthy. I got rice, chicken, and then I got their vegetables. So I'm getting ready to eat this real fast. But after I get done eating my food, I'm gonna take my shower, and then I'm gonna start working on my to-do list. Hey y'all, so I just recently got out the shower, and now I'm just in these basic clothes, so I'm getting ready to clean up. And I have to vacuum. I want to clean my mirrors, and then I want to try to finish 3 loads of clothes. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get all the clothes done, but I'm going to try.
You got your eyes, got your drippy on them private jets, making trips. Come back 6, wake me in your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this. Wake up back over and over again. Swear to change, but I know that's the end. I want you on the scene, think you know your purpose is funny to me. I know you didn't call it for one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Don't say call your name. They'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you words so funny to me. And girl, you think I left but one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay argument, talking from you to try to play these games. Leave your family in the quarterback. I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to walk out the light. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, you wasting my time.
Hey y'all, so it is currently 10:31 and I'm just washing my clothes now, and I have like one load that I'm probably gonna just do tomorrow. Actually 2 loads I'm gonna do tomorrow because like I said, it is 10:31 and I have to wake up early tomorrow for a meeting. So I hope I have enough content for this vlog to do like a productive day in my life, because that was my plan. I didn't get to do my face mask, but I'm just gonna try to do that in another video, maybe like a self-care day or something. I'll do like a face mask, and then like I'll do other things that are like self-care related. But with that being said, y'all, if you enjoyed this productive day in my life as a nursing student who was basically off for the semester, definitely leave that in the comment section down below, and also leave down in the comment section down below more video ideas that you guys would like to see me do. But if y'all made it to the end of this video and you haven't already subscribed yet, definitely hit that subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family. But also don't forget to hit that post notification bell that's right next to the subscription button so you can get alerted every time I post another video. But with that being said, y'all, I will see you guys in my next video.